Okay, I think I'm going to do one more thing to this little math game. So what I want to do is I want to add a discrete knob where I can basically go like change the difficulty level. So I'm going to throw it over here because it's kind of related. So basically you'll click what you want to do, like add, subtract, whatever, and then you click to play, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so these aren't going to be low, medium, high. So what are my options? Okay, so I'm going to do, just delete all those and I'll do easy, medium, hard, and El Diablo. Perfect. Okay, so those are all there. And now if you run the game, it's just going to be a thing where you can see if you try to go in between, it's going to snap to one of the options. So it's just kind of a cute little thing. So you can be like, select your difficulty. Because, you know, we're kind of awesome and I can't spell difficulty. Select your difficulty. Yay! Okay, except I think I still misspelled difficult. I just have all kinds of promise as a person. Difficulty. There we go. Okay, so now what we need to do is in our reset function, which is somewhere. Can I just double click and get there? No. Oh, yes, I can. Look, it happened. Okay. So essentially, this is going to work the same way as our button group. We could have done this with a button group, but, you know, we just might as well do it with a discrete knob for funsies. Plus, the kids will love it. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. It's called Select Your Difficulty Knob. So I'm going to switch on app.select your difficulty knob. On the value, I assume. Actually, before I switch, let's just make sure that it's what I think it's supposed to be. So I'm just going to print it out to the, okay, click to play. So it should have said easy, easy, easy. Okay. And then whenever I play, I can play again, check your answer. Well, let's say hard. Hard. Okay, so good. That's how it works. Yay. Okay. So I'm going to select on that, and in the case that it says, whoa, did I not spell something right? Oh, switch. No, derps. Switch. In the case that it is easy, I'm going to just do it like this. Remember, Control-I will smart indent it for you. In the case that it's medium, now remember, these have to be spelled exactly right. Actually, for easy, let's do it like this. And then medium. Oops. Why? Come on, girl. And then case hard. Whoa, what just happened? So many buttons. And then I'll change this values in a second. Case El Diablo, or whatever you want to call it. And you can add more, you know, than 4 if you want, and that's fine. And be sure to end your switch. Okay, so let's say if it's hard, we'll go up to, I don't know, 20. And then if it's El Diablo, we'll go up to 50, because we ain't afraid of nothing. Okay. So let's see if this works. So, perturbs. Select your difficulty, select to play. Oh, this still moves. I need to turn that off. So, but it did update my things over here. So actually, let me go ahead and make that as part of our reset. Is we'll turn off that. We'll make that. I'm assuming there's an enable feature for it. So if I click on it, is there an enable feature? Interactivity? Enabled. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So we're going to go down to our. Oh, at the end of our reset problem, we will select your difficulty knob, app.select your difficulty knob, visible, change it to off. Oh, we'll have to turn it back on sometime. When are we going to turn it back on? We'll have to figure that out, because it'll just stay off forever. So give me a hard multiplication problem. Oh, it still says select your difficulty. Darn it. Okay, we'll have to figure that out. We'll have to make it turn visibility off, maybe. Check your answer. Keep trying. It looks like this is rough to the other one. Ooh, puppy. So we want to turn that back on, I think. Either when they get it right, or maybe whenever we show the button about getting, yeah, let's do that. So basically, if we're going to give them the option of redoing the level, let's give them the option to change their, select your difficulty knob. Oh, I was going to change enable to on and off. Oh, not on. On. Enable to off. There we go. I think I like that better. Wait, why is it not? Enable to off. So if they do that, or if they get it right, then we want to enable that again. Okay, so I know, puppy, it's hard. Riff, riff, riff. There's a kitty, and she's taking all the attention, and it's terrible. So select to play. That's super hard. Oops. Keep trying. I can do this, and then. Okay, well that's not super obvious from a user's perspective that I can change that. But it definitely is working. So why does it keep doing that? Keep trying. No problem. Select your difficulty. Maybe I need to turn off select your difficulty again. Knob enable. App.select your difficulty knob. Is there like a text? No, there's a tag. Is there a label? Value? No, I'm just not going to worry about it. I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. Okay, so I think maybe I'll just change the button to also say, want to try a different level, an easier one, or something like that. Okay, so in theory now, I have a game, and it's super awesome to where I can pick super duper hard addition problems, and if I can't get it, I can reset to an easier math problem and say yes, and then I can do this, and I can get it right, and then I can play again, and oh my goodness, this is amazing. Okay, so hopefully, oops, hopefully you learned some things about how to play around with this AppDesigner, and can just do some fun things with it. I like it. It's neat. It makes me happy. Woot! I made a fun math game. I'm amazing.